Good morning, dear students. So, children, I am going to explain you today cohesive force. So you can see in this picture, when we want to push anything, push or pull is a force. So we have to apply an external force. So in both the cases, we have to apply a force. Same way, in the different states of matter, whether it is solid, liquid or gases, this force is very high. So molecule possesses this force which is called cohesive force, and due to this cohesive force molecules come closer. Okay, so remember, these particles of the same type of matter are held together by a force. So you all know the arrangement of molecules. Like solid, in case of solid, molecules are arranged in a very close. Okay, they are tightly packed, they do not have the intermolecular space between them, even though we can see here in this diagram, but there is no intermolecular force between them. Why? Because their molecules, the cohesive force are the strongest. That's why the particles are closely packed. So what is the role of this cohesive force? Cohesive force bring all the molecules to close, or it binds. The strong cohesive forces do not allow particles to move. So underline this line, the strong cohesive force do not allow particles to move. That's why solids have a fixed shape and volume. They can vibrate only. Okay, because you know that particles, according to the Brownian motion, even though solids can move, solid particles can vibrate only, they cannot move from one place to another place, because their cohesive force is strongest, and they have the hard structure, rigid structure. And we know, due to this strongest cohesive force, we cannot change the shape of the solid object. Exceptions is sponge only. Sponge, we can change the space because they have the large amount of air cavity or air holes. Same as in the liquids, the cohesive force are less than solids. So their particles are loosely packed, they are loose packed, they have some gap, so they do not have the fixed shape. As we know, they take the shape of the container, but they have the fixed volume, and they can flow up to a certain extent. Third one is the gases. So in case of gases, the cohesive force of attraction are negligible. Negligible means zero. That's why the particles of the gases can move freely, move apart, and they can move freely in all the direction. Any direction they can move, and we can say that they have the zero cohesive force. That's why gases neither have a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. So remember, children, this cohesive force, it is a force that bind the molecules together. So solid have the strongest cohesive force, that's why the molecules are tightly packed. In liquid case, they have less cohesive force than the solids, and gases have zero cohesive force. That's why you can see all the molecules are they are having a very high gaps, spaces there, and they can move freely in any direction. So read this, and I have sent you the question answers also. So please do that. Do all the question answers in copy, and I will check in the Zoom class. So thank you, children, and have a nice day. God bless you all.